sometimes we just need to get out and stretch our legs. And that's what today's adventure is. Getting out in nature, exploring, and having a bit of fun. We drove up to Merritt, took a side road and found these old cottages. Really cool to look at. Lots of renovations are needed there. But we kept on going up into the backwoods. Look at the character of these homes. These old log homes built many, many, many years ago. It was really neat to see as you drive through the woods, see one off in the field, seeing another one over by a lake, then just traveling up and finding trees just cut down, which was kind of sad. Just clear cut. On our journeys, we ran into Vancity Vanlife. We ran into Cruz and Chrome. It was nice to say hi, stretch our legs, sit by the water, and just relax before we had to get back on the road. Thanks guys, see you soon. Thanks for watching another one of Tosha's videos. If you'd like to subscribe to the Ridgewater channel, just click on the link up there. Yes, my truck needs to be washed.